Hey guys, are you want to buy best gaming motherboard? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best gaming motherboard that's are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Gigabyte Gaming Motherboard. The motherboard is a powerhouse built for high-performance computing, featuring an Intel LGA 1700 socket that supports 12th and 13th Gen Intel Core processors. It comes DDR5 ready with dual-channel support across 4 DIMMs, ensuring blazing fast memory performance for gaming, content creation, and multitasking. Its sturdy 6+2+1 hybrid digital VRM design guarantees stable power delivery, while the comprehensive thermal solution with M.2 thermal guard keeps your system cool under heavy workloads. Next-gen connectivity options include PCIe 4.0, NVMe PCIe 4.0x2 M.2, and USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, providing ultra-fast storage and peripheral performance. Networking is future-ready with 2.5 GB LAN and Wi-Fi 6E, ensuring smooth online experiences. Fine-tuning is effortless with RGB Fusion 2.0, support for addressable LED strips, SmartFan 6, and Q-Flash Plus, which allows BIOS updates without installing CPU, memory, or GPU. A solid choice for enthusiasts seeking performance, stability, and style. Now our second product is ASRock Gaming Motherboard. This AMD AM5 motherboard is designed for high-end performance, supporting Ryzen 7000, 8000, and 9000 series processors. Its 14+2+1 phase power design with 88 MOS ensures stable and efficient power delivery to the V-Core, SoC, and miscellaneous components, making it ideal for overclocking enthusiasts. Memory performance is impressive with 4 DDR5 DIMM slots supporting dual-channel speeds up to 8000 plus MHz, OC. Expansion options include 1 PCIe 5.0x16 and 2 PCIe 4.0x16 slots, enabling top-tier graphics and add-on cards. Graphics outputs feature HDMI and DisplayPort, while audio is powered by the Realtek ALC 1227.1 channel codec with Nahimic enhancements. Storage is versatile with 1 PCIe Gen5 X4 M.2, 2 PCIe Gen4 X4 Hyper M.2, and 2 SATA 3 ports. Connectivity includes USB 3.2 Gen 2 X2 Type-C, multiple USB 3.2 Gen 2/Gen 1, and USB 2.0 ports, providing extensive options for peripherals and accessories. A robust choice for gamers and content creators seeking speed and flexibility. Our third product is Gigabyte B850 Gaming Motherboard. This AMD AM5 motherboard is built for high-performance computing, supporting Ryzen 7000, 8000, and 9000 series processors. Its 14+2+2 phase power design ensures stable and efficient power delivery, ideal for overclocking and heavy workloads. Memory support includes 4 DDR5 DIMM slots, allowing fast, dual-channel performance and high-capacity configurations for gaming, content creation, or multitasking. Thermal management is robust with VRM and M.2 thermal guards, keeping your system cool during extended sessions. Expansion and connectivity are comprehensive, featuring PCIe 5.0 support, 3 M.2 slots for high-speed storage, USB-C, and sensor panel link, providing versatility for modern peripherals and accessories. With a focus on performance, stability, and future-proofing, this motherboard is ideal for gamers, PC enthusiasts, and professionals who need cutting-edge speed, thermal efficiency, and broad connectivity in their AMD AM5 builds. Now number 4, MSI Gaming Motherboard. This AMD Ryzen 7000 series motherboard is engineered for high-performance gaming and productivity. It supports DDR5 memory up to 7800 plus MHz, OC, delivering lightning-fast speeds for multitasking and gaming. The 14+2+1 Duet Rail power system with dual 8-pin CPU connectors, Core Boost, and Memory Boost ensures stable and efficient power delivery, even under heavy loads or overclocking. For storage and expansion, it features PCIe 5.0 slots, Lightning Gen 5 M.2, and USB 3.2 Gen 2x2, providing ultra-fast data transfer and low-latency gaming experiences. Its premium thermal solution, including an extended heatsink design and M.2 shield frozzer, keeps the system cool and stable during intense workloads or long gaming sessions. Overall, this motherboard combines cutting-edge speed, robust power delivery, and advanced cooling, making it perfect for gamers, content creators, and PC enthusiasts seeking top-tier performance. And our last choice is Gigabyte X870 Gaming Motherboard. This AMD socket AM5 motherboard is built for cutting-edge performance, supporting Ryzen 7000, 8000, and 9000 series processors for high-speed computing and multitasking. It features DDR5 memory support across 4 DIMMs with AMD Expo, allowing overclocking and ultra-fast memory performance for gaming and professional workloads. The 14+2+2 power design ensures stable, efficient power delivery to both CPU and memory, while the VRM and M.2 thermal guard maintain optimal temperatures during intense use. For expansion and connectivity, it offers PCIe 5.0, 3 M.2 slots, and dual USB 4 ports alongside front and rear USB-C, supporting the latest high-speed peripherals and storage devices. Overall, this motherboard balances robust power, advanced thermals, and next-gen connectivity, making it ideal for gamers, content creators, and enthusiasts who demand top-tier performance and reliability. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video was really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.